All right, guys. So it is the weekend, and I was working on a video on replacing the wheel bearings on the Avenger here, but I kind of ran into a bit of a snag where everything is crap, and so essentially what ended up happening is the wheel bearing was seized in the knuckle, so I spent a good couple of hours getting that out on the driver's side. And I haven't even done the passenger side yet. But also the lower ball joint bolt has been threaded, and basically the outer tie rod is screwed. So I ordered that next day, so that should be here tomorrow, so I'll finish up working on this. In the meantime, I've been working on a little bit of a project for the Cavalier. This just came in the mail. So I have been working on getting it mounted up to the Cavalier. I'm likely going to end up mounting it right here. And I'm going to cut out all of this this here so that it'll get a clean, view through. And yeah, so this will be mounted right up to the bumper support right in the front there, the crash bar. It's going to be a little bit more difficult because I believe that this crash bar is just a square bar, so I have to drill holes from the bottom to put the bolts in, and then slightly larger holes from the top in order to get like a socket down in there or something, but we'll figure it out. Alrighty, so I got the light bar installed down here. I think it looks pretty good so far. I'm going to finish up wiring that up tomorrow. I'm basically going to spend all day tomorrow in the garage wiring this up, and also finishing up on the Avenger, getting the other wheel bearing done and getting all the suspension sorted out on the driver's side. Hopefully everything will go well there. So I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am today's entertainment. Nah. But we are going to finish up the wiring on the Cavalier, so let's get that in the garage, shall we? What a pile of crap. Alright, so whenever doing electrical work on your car, it's always good practice to remove the battery. It's always a good idea to at least disconnect the battery, even if you don't remove it completely. For me, I need to remove it completely in order to get better access to the fuse panel here. So what I'm going to do, because I already I'm not using this for the cooling fan anymore, I'm thinking I'm going to just use it to connect this up directly to this light, which will be helpful. I just need to get to the wires on the bottom and disconnect those, route them to the right places, and then run the signal wire up here from the switch in the cabin. So let's get working on that. Alright, so this is the socket that we're going to try and use here. And on the back of this fuse box, you can see the power in from the fuse over here. And you can see what looks to be the power out, which is this bluish green cable here. And then this tiny green cable, this one right here, looks to be the signal. So let's get tracing wires. know I gotta make that subway run, boy. Oh, yeah. I like that. Now let's go ahead and start her up. Make sure it works while it's on. Good stuff. And with the headlights. Ooh, that is bright. I like that. That is good. Well, that is very bright. I'm very pleased with how that turned out, actually. Alright. So that, well, that'll be it for today. Now that I've finally gotten this kind of, squared away and working for me, I'm going to continue to work on this, mainly because there's still a lot of stuff that needs to be done as far as general maintenance is concerned. But now the Avenger is starting to wear out on us. It's those wheel bearings are being a huge pain in the butt. And obviously the Subaru is still, nowhere near running. So I'm hopefully going to have some time in the near future here to work on that and hopefully get that back up and running. We'll see. I'm still thinking I'm probably going to need a new engine, which is going to suck, but what are you going to do? Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.